quick tutorial on how to prevent ripping. So first I apply my water and I just use my rat tail comb to comb the hair back, and I'm also going to use my hot comb to slick the hair back before going in with my wax stick. So after doing that, I'm going to apply my wax stick a small amount on the frontal, which is going to help with the slick back. And then I'm going to use my hot comb to slick the hair back. Just get it out of the way. So after doing that, I'm going to take my rubber band or elastic band and I'm going to use my pin to hold the lace in place. And this rubber band is going to act as a protective layer to prevent the pin from getting direct contact with the hair and preventing rip outs. I hope this video helped you and you can then begin your styling with a secure and stable wig. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and make sure you share the video. So after doing that, you can go ahead to style like you say, and then I'm going to begin my coiling and so on and so forth. Bye bye.